Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to scan documents on your phone Google Pixel. So let's start. So at first you need to find a Google Drive application on your phone, then open, and then click here at the right corner new, and then scan. So imagine that we have document right here. So put the phone like this and then click here to scan the document. Click here, wait a couple of seconds, and here we have our document. So here we can change a lot of different options, for example like filters, and then click apply if you like the result. For example, we can crop our photo, crop and rotation like this. We can crop our photo. And then if you're satisfied with the result of your document, just click down here at the right corner, click here, and then click save. So now we have our document right here, guys. So if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe, and see you later, guys. Bye bye.